Welcome. Comparing MacBooks, M4 chip, MacBook Air 13, MacBook Air 15, MacBook Pro 14, MacBook Pro 14, Pro or Max, MacBook Pro 16, Pro or Max. ChatGPT compared the latest MacBook in terms of display, CPU, memory, storage, battery life and Apple Intelligence. See above table. After a smart comparison filtered by ChatGPT, here's the final shortlist of the best Apple MacBook M4 laptops ranked by best budget, best value and most powerful. Best budget, MacBook Air 13. Most affordable M4-powered MacBook with top efficiency. Up to 24GB RAM and 2TB storage in a compact, lightweight form. Great for students, writers, and everyday computing. Best value, MacBook Air 15. Larger display, superlight design, and powered by the efficient M4 chip. Great for everyday users, students, and professionals on the go. Most powerful, MacBook Pro 16, Beast Mode, up to 16-core CPU and 40-core GPU with up to 128GB memory. Ideal for video editors, 3D artists, and software developers. Extreme performance with a large 16.2 Liquid Retina XDR display. Balance of power and portability, MacBook Pro 14. Ideal for professionals who need high performance without the bulk of the 16-inch. It delivers near Pro Max power in a lighter, more compact size, perfect for on-the-go creatives, developers, and power users. All models come with Apple Intelligence, blazing speed, and all-day battery life. Pro versus Max, M4. Versus Max, M4, which one should you choose? Pro if you want top-tier power for creative and professional tasks, without overspending. Max if you work with ultra-heavy apps like Vi4D, Resolve Studio, Xcode builds, or AI modeling, and want maximum headroom for the future. Quick buyer tips. Best budget, MacBook Air 13. Affordable, light, and powerful. Best value, MacBook Air 15. Power plus portability most powerful, MacBook 16. Built for creators and pros. Balance of power and portability. MacBook Pro 14, M4, high performance without bulk. Delivers near Pro Max power. Ready to upgrade? Choose the one that fits your workflow. Link in description. Thanks for watching.